In this video I will show you step by step how you can sign up to MaxBounty and how you can get accepted every single time. So if you didn't already know, MaxBounty is actually quite hard of an affiliate program to be accepted into, but if you follow these steps in today's video you will be accepted with 100% chance. So what we want to do is head over to maxbounty.com and then come to the top right hand corner and then click on affiliates. Once we are here, what we can do now is simply click on become an affiliate. And then what we want to do now is simply click on no, where it says do you already have an account with MaxBounty. From here you want to enter in your name, company name, email and also a password. If you don't have a company name, don't worry, you don't have to enter this in, this is optional. Once you have entered all this information, feel free to click on the next button, and then once you do that you will be on this page. So what you want to do now is just simply enter in your mobile number, and you can also enter in an alternative number if you want to do that. You can then select your time zone, when you can be reached, and this is very important because MaxBounty will ring you for sort of a telephone interview type thing. And then last but not least is a Skype handle. So if you don't have a Skype handle, you can go ahead and create an account, or you can leave this blank. This is actually optional, so feel free to leave it blank if you want to do that. So once you've entered all this information in right here, click on next. And on this page what we need to do now is enter in our address. Once you've entered in your address, simply click on the next button. And then once we do this, as you can see, you can now go to how did you hear about MaxBounty, click on the drop down menu, and you can choose from any of these right here. If you click on other, you will need to specify where you heard about MaxBounty. So for me, I will just click on Google. What is your experience? So for your experience, what you want to do is you want to just say you've got some sort of experience with affiliate marketing, because MaxBounty don't tend to take on fully complete beginners. So what we can do is click on I have a little bit of experience but I've never received a payment from a network. Or you can simply select I have some experience and I've received at least one payment from a network. For me, I would recommend this one right here. And then what you want to do is describe your past experience in affiliate marketing in this box. So what we can put is something like this. So just something really simple like this will do. You don't have to put in a lot of information. And then the next box will be how do you intend to promote campaigns? So we may want to put something like this. So I intend to promote via my YouTube channel and paid traffic is the really important part right here, because if you're saying that you're going to be like, spamming links around the internet and things like that, you want to make sure you're keeping it professional. So creating videos on your YouTube channel and also paying for paid traffic is a really good way for MaxBounty to, really see how you will promote their products. In the next box, what we can do is what campaigns are you looking to run? So you can put something like health and beauty, which is a perfect way to, promote on your YouTube channel. It's a good way that you could promote via paid traffic, and health and beauty does obviously apply to a lot of people. So this is one of the categories that you could put down in the campaigns option. Your website URL is optional, so you can leave that blank, or you can put in your website or YouTube channel or, any social media pages into this box, and then simply click on next. From here what you want to do is you want to upload your ID, so you want to click on choose file on both of these, and then once you have done that you can simply click on next. From here what you want to do is just simply click on all of these boxes just to sort of tell them that you agree to their terms and services, and then once you have selected all these you can then simply click on submit. Once you do that and you have put in everything that I've taught you in this tutorial, you will then be accepted into the MaxBounty affiliate program. So it's just that simple to apply to MaxBounty, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Without further ado, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.